emergency for Austin, Texas. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a tornado warning for Austin County until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a large and extremely dangerous wedge tornado was spotted heading directly towards Austin. Tornado emergency for Austin, Texas. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazards include a large tornado heading towards Austin. In addition to the tornado, tennis ball-sized hail will cause damage to buildings and automobiles. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Take cover in a basement or the lowest part of a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a large and extremely dangerous wedge tornado is on the ground. To report severe weather, contact the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-830-629-1030 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSCWX.